There have been several leaks and rumors surrounding the Huawei P70 series, which is expected to be launched soon. A new leaks what appears to be the backplate of the P70 made rounds across Chinese social media Weibo. According to one user, there will be at least 4 variants: Huawei P70, Huawei P70 Pro, Huawei P70 Pro Plus, Huawei P70 Art. The phones are expected to all sport the Kirin 9000S chipset. It is a SoC built on the 7nm process technology by SMIC. The P70 series is expected to feature a main camera with either the OV50H sensor, along with a 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens and a 50MP 4x periscope telephoto lens, 13 selfie cameras. Huawei P70 power by 5000 mAh battery, Huawei P70 Pro power by 200 mAh battery, Huawei P70 Pro Plus and P70 Art power by 5100 mAh battery. Huawei P70 series support 88W wired plus 50W wireless charging. Huawei P70 starting price 4,999 Chinese yuan for 12/512GB. Huawei P70 Pro starting price 6,999 Chinese yuan for 12/256GB. Huawei P70 Pro Plus starting price 8,999 Chinese yuan for 16/512GB. Huawei P70 Art starting price 9,999 for 16/512GB. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.